In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to remove the AI label tag when you upload an AI generated image on Instagram. So all you need to do is click on the three dots at the top of the photo and just press edit. Now click on the bit where the AI label shows, so we'll click that and just press edit AI label. So now what you need to do is toggle it off and just tap off it and press done, and that will be gone. So if you've generated anything from AI, you'll need to remove the metadata that is attached to that photo. So there's a couple ways to do this. So the easiest way to do this is just to screenshot the photo or resave it in an image editor like Photoshop or Canva. The other thing you can do is going onto one of these metadata remover sites. So as you can see, I've got one here, and all you need to do is open it up and upload your desired photo, and then you'll be able to remove the metadata tag like that. So now you know how to remove the AI label on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped.